How to get LinkedIn profile link for resume. First of all, go to linkedin.com and make sure to log into your account. Once you're logged in and once you land on the home page, now to get your profile link, hit towards the top section. From this menu bar, you have to click on this option right here that says me. Click on it. From this drop down, hit towards view profile button and click on it. Once you land on your profile page, navigate to your right hand side and at the top there is an option or the section that says profile or URL. Here you have to click on this edit option right here. Now again navigate to your right hand side on this page. There is a section that says edit your custom URL. If you want to edit your URL, you can do that as well. So you can edit this section right here, edit according to your preferences, and once done, now you can copy this link and add it into your resume or share it. So that's the way to get your LinkedIn profile link for your resume. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.